3, 2, 1, impact. Okay. Long and yeah. Plus 20.
High school, no idea what I wanted to do in life. And my dad took me aside. He said, well, start with the things you like. And, well, I think airplanes are pretty cool, but I could never do that. And then later on I go, hey, why not? And my dad threw me in the car, drove down to the University of Maryland and enrolled me in ROTC. And that was the best thing that ever happened to me. I wanted to fly fighter jets all over the world, and I did. At the end of my life, I wanted to have something that I didn't, darn it, I wish I would have done that. No, I did it all. We're an Air Force family. We were in the Air Force for 29 years.
We met in Bergstrom Air Force Base, Austin, Texas. I processed the film. His first jet was a reconnaissance jet. I was enlisted and he was an officer, and one of our duties as enlisted was that we would have to drive the pilots out to the jets. And I was driving the van with them all in it out to the jet, and he said hi to me, and I just kind of dissed him because he's an officer, and I said hi. And
I showed her, huh? By the time I retired to the Air Force, everybody, all my friends and family had already moved down to Florida, so it was an easy decision.
We bought this home 20 years ago. It will be 20 years this year, I think. We've been through one hurricane that gave us a whole new kitchen and living room, so we kind of lost part of the roof.
That was transition number 1 to another shingle roof. And then we had a freak hailstorm.
Oh, the hailstorm that we had a couple of years ago.
And came through in our, that was transition from roof number 2 to roof number 3.
I would say 80% of Martesia's homeowners got their roofs redone after the hailstorm. The roof was old, so it damaged the roof. That's when we started looking into a metal roof. The HOA here did not allow metal roofs. We
petitioned the Homeowners Association, but it took a little bit extra grease, so what I did was join the HOA, and then I was a voting member and I could affect change that way, and that's what we did.
My name is Eric Payne. I'm with Total Home Roofing. It was a scheduled appointment, so I came out and started working with them on their project and give them some options and some profiles and colors and what have you. This is a laid-back area, a lot of outside activities, a lot of jogging on the beach, a lot of rollerblading, biking, what have you, especially where Mark and Linda are out here on the beach. Yeah, it was a very easy choice because, Mark and Linda being so close to the ocean, we would have to go to that aluminum. I love the color they went with. Yeah. That dove gray is beautiful. Not too dark, it's not too light, it's perfect. It looks great on their house too. You notice the base of their house that fits right in.
Well, last night we had what comes close to was August 3rd, Isaias tropical storm, which was on its way to develop into a hurricane and passed probably within 30, 40 miles from this house.
We put up our hurricane shutters and brought everything in from the patio.
And from that point, you've done everything you can.
And our roof was going to weather it, and it did. We slept through the night, didn't hear a thing, and
which wasn't always the case when we had a hurricane.
No.
Linda and Mark was a pleasure to work with. They were the idea customers, very seamless process. They were very easy to work with, and apparently we did a fabulous job, and it was seamless on our production end as well. But great people, have done a lot for the community and for our country, so I think it was a perfect fit.